We're Demi and Mickey, and for the past 2 years we've been traveling as crew members on board cruise ship. The next 7 days we will be showing you what a week in our life as crew members looks like.
Good morning and welcome to the final sea day. Tomorrow our whole week starts all over again. Today is another 15 hours. I need to grab a coffee and go to work.
My lunch break is gone. It came and went as quickly as it came. This morning I put in 2.5 hours and then I have my lunch break. Now I have 4-hour break. I wish I had a 4-hour break. I have a 4-hour shift and then I get a 2-hour break. And then I have another Monster Point. We have an hour left on our dinner break. I'm going to go and eat. We just had the craziest announcement. So apparently we're having engine trouble.
Okay.
And we will be arriving late tomorrow in Galveston. Which is not good news for us, which means our whole day tomorrow gets delayed, and if you've watched day 1, you'll know that's gonna be a crazy day. So, here's to having engine problems.
Oh, hell no!
That was a really long day. And I must say I am 100% ready to go to sleep. Because we're arriving late tomorrow. We're gonna have an hour extra to sleep. But that kind of means there's an hour less for us to rest tomorrow, which kind of evens out, I guess. But yep, this is a week in our life. If you watch day 1 to day 7, you'll have a little more of an insight of what it's like to be a crew member. Till next time.